Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So honestly, I was not planning to film this video. I was like, why would anybody want to see what I bought recently? But then these are the types of videos that I watch myself. So yes, here am I with a summer fashion haul. I shopped a lot, like not a lot, I shopped quite a bit recently, and yeah, I got them for like very cheap online, so you can buy them too if you want to. I'll like put link of all the products that I'll be showing in today's video in the description box, so make sure you check it out. And let's start with today's video. I'm very excited to show what all I got, so without further blabbering, let's just get into the video. Starting off with all the clothes that I bought like around 3-4 items from this website called Lulu and Sky. If you don't know about this website, then I don't know in which planet you are living. Yeah, I don't make sense, but yeah, this is an amazing website which has very trendy, very affordable clothes. So the first item that I got is very pretty and my favorite. So this is the first item that I purchased from Lulu and Sky. It has like a very stretchy and denim feel to it. The detailing is so pretty. I love the chain thing going on here, and I got this one for guess how much. This was for just rupees 199. I mean, such great quality with such, amazing design, and you get it for 199. That's like cherry on top. You can pair this one in so many ways. I already like put up a picture wearing this on my Instagram, and I got quite a good response. Many of you asked from where did I buy this, and yeah, this one is my favorite item, like the first item that I bought from Lulu. And second item that I got is this white skirt. I don't know why am I obsessing over skirts these days, but since it's summer, you do need skirts, shorts. I just cannot do jeans. I'm not really a jeans person. So yeah, it's a button down skirt, as you can see, with a very pretty ring attached to it. It is a white skirt, so you can pair white in like many different ways, with a spaghetti top, with like a normal t-shirt, and just pair nice boots or heels, and you'll be perfect for that. I got for rupees 284 exactly. I remember the price, and I'll put the link to this in the description box, so if you want to buy it, go ahead. So I was just talking about how I cannot do jeans in summers, but guess what? I bought a jeans because this was for just rupees 430, and it's like a very pretty ripped denims which you can pair with like on everyday basis with tops, t-shirts and everything. To be honest, the quality is not the best. It's very plain, very lightweight, but then since it's summer, you can like wear it on a daily basis. That's fine. It's very light. It will feel very light on your body. So that's a good thing about this. And if you're a college person, then you do need denims in your wardrobe to wear on a daily basis. Right, so the next and the last item that I purchased from Lulu and Sky is this plain white t-shirt. So since it's summer, you do need like white t-shirts. Please don't go for blacks. I mean, summer mein black is not really required, I feel. Even though I am wearing black. Anyway, loving gingham prints these days, and guess what? I got this dress for rupees, I'm not gonna tell you because this is totally different video, and I got this one from Karyat Market. I'm not gonna mention the price. That's a different video coming on my channel, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, coming back to the t-shirt, it has like a very good print on it, as you can see. क्या लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे? Pineapple. Even though I don't like pineapples, I don't really eat fruits. I don't know why I'm a weird person. You should eat fruits. Yeah, even though I don't like pineapple, I was saying the print looks very trendy, very summery, and you can pair this one with denims, shorts, skirts, anything. so these were the things that I got from Lulu and Sky. Moving on to the next website, which is Amazon.com. I got like 2 items from there, and the first one is this very pretty and very amazing set of makeup brushes. So it has like 24 pieces and it comes with all types of brush. You name it and they have it. I got this one for rupees 450. This comes with all types of brush, starting with foundation brush, highlighter brush, blush brush, then all types of eye makeup brushes. I'm really into makeup, as you all know, so I don't find the need of investing too much into makeup brushes. I got like 24 pieces for just rupees 450, which I think is perfect for a beginner, or if you are someone who does not want to invest too much into makeup brushes, then these are the perfect you can go for. And I'll be very honest, the quality is not that great. It's fine, it works for me. So yeah, like 450 when you're getting 24 piece set, which I feel is pretty good. So moving on to the next item that I got from Amazon are these heels. जिसका box मेरे भाई ने तोड़ दिया है पूरा. So this is a block heel which comes with a very pretty belt attached to it, and I wore this quite a lot of times, so थोड़ा गंदा हो गया है. And yeah, if you are someone who is not into wearing high heels, then you can definitely go for this one. I got this one for rupees 400 if I'm not wrong. I'll put the link in the description box. You can even get this on Snapdeal. Snapdeal पे this was for I guess 350. I don't know, मुझे I guess ज़्यादा पैसा spend करने का मन था, इसलिए I bought from Amazon in 450 bucks, which I think is fine. Like, since it's black, you can pair it up with everything. This is comfortable and goes with all types of outfits. So last but not the least is this item from Lakme. It's a PR package which Lakme sent to me for promotion. So yes, let's see what's inside. I already know what's inside. I'm gonna show it to you guys what's inside. So they have sent me like 3 products, and with a very cute note which says, "We adore your style, we love your beauty. Thanks. Sending you lots of beauty cheer, and we can't wait to see what the trendsetter in you turns into." How cute. Thank you, Lakme. And okay, so starting off with the first product that they sent me is this lipstick, and this is the Lakme 925 Weightless Matte and Mousse Lip and Cheek color. So you can use it as a lipstick and even as a blush. That's my favorite thing about a lipstick. And yeah, you already know. So they have sent me this lipstick, and it's in the shade it's a very like orangish pinkish shade, very pretty on lips, and the shade name is Tangerine Fluff. I'm gonna quickly swatch it for you guys and show it how it looks. So it's a very pretty orangish and pinkish shade. I hope you all can see from here, I'm not sure. I don't have something like this in my lipstick collection, so that's the best part about this, and I'm going to use this in any of my makeup tutorial or makeup routine, and I'm going to share the proper review with you all. So moving on to the next product is this kajal, which is the Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate Kajal, and it's for rupees 750. I'm not really a kajal person. If you have seen my tutorial, you would know I don't really use kajal, but I guess I should. Or I can even give this to my mom because she's a huge kajal person. The product is waterproof, smudge proof, and super long lasting, and also it is very moisturizing on your eyes. So I'm going to use it soon and let you know what I feel about this product. Moving on to the last product that Lakme sent me is this Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity Skin Sculpting Serum. So the packaging looks very fancy, and the product comes for rupees 999, which for serum is very good. Color of this bottle, it's very like pretty pastel purple. And to open this, you just twist the cap like this, and I'm going to use it on my hands to see how it feels and how it's going to take a little bit. This feels very light and the smell is a lot like, you know, flower. The smells are a lot like flower and this is very smooth on my hands. So I'm going to use it for like a week or a month and let you know what I feel about this one. So yes, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to buy things then please check the description box. I have linked down all the products that I got, and I hope you enjoyed it. This was like a very mini haul, you can say. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Keep them, spread love, support me. Bye. Do subscribe, like and all of that. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.